Wait, what's the name of the story first? What's the name of the story? What?
Suspect.
Suspect?
Oh, the shark goes away.
Okay. What else happens in the story?
Because the shark went, and the person was scared, so it was.
Why was the person scared?
Because of the shark, of the tiger shark.
Well, what happened?
And he was just dead.
That's the end of the story?
Yeah.
Okay. Good story.
Well, what happened at the end of the story?
She just said. He was just dead.
What was the surprising ending?
Because the flowers were dead. The flowers were dead on someplace else. The wild one, when it comes to boom, and that would happen. And the next story was not interesting word. So it wasn't not good.
That's good.
Because the shark was stick on something, and he just choked on something. So it opened her mouth like this, and just did the way, but he wasn't dead. So the person was
I knew
dead.
He wasn't dead.
The person was dead.
The person was dead?
Yeah, so she said.
Yeah.
Shark's not dead. Apparently he was choking on something. Maybe it was the person.
I think it was the person.
No, it was just an old paper or something.
Old paper? Okay.
And what
Alright.
happened? The person was just putting lipstick on himself underwater.
The person was putting lipstick on themselves underwater.
Yeah. And then what happened?
I don't know.
It was not good.
No, not at all.
See, that's the end of the story.
I like this ending better. The man was putting lipstick on underwater, and that was not good. Well, you have to say, Eliza, you have to say...
Because it was not good, and it was not the right thing to do with.
No.
No, not put the lipstick on the underwater.
Not underwater. Before you go in the water.
Yeah.
Huh.
Because the person was scared, so then Blower was not. Remember that and Blower Bow was taken the way over to the ocean? So it wasn't not the good thing to do, like, to.
Okay. Alright, well, is the story over?
Yeah, it is over.
Okay, say the end.
Yeah. Oh, it's open again.
Okay, it's open again.
Now we can read again.
Oh, yeah.
We have this one.
Sure. What different one do you want to read?
This,
Okay.
like the shark
Okay.
story. But the girl is scared. I will tell the princess is scared.
We may have to wait to hear this story later because Daddy has to go back to work.
Because I have to tell you 2 stories after you go.
After I come back from work?
No.
No?
To stay in our home.
Oh,
When we read the story.
okay.
Because the old man was not died for a little bit, but a little bit. The shark did die a little bit, but the guy did.
So the shark didn't die a little bit, but the guy did?
Yeah, the guy died when he just hit on something. So he just went back to his children over. So it wasn't not good. Get the shark again. Good. See, that's the end of it.
That's the end of it. Okay.
Oh, it's on again.
Oh, jeez.
It was this.
Here, Daddy has to go to work, or else this is gonna end really poorly.
Picture there.
Let me see the picture. Oh, that's a very nice picture.